In this clip, I will demonstrate how to properly clean your foot basin after you did a foot care. Drain the water, and once the water is drained, use a bleach spray and spray the basin thoroughly. Filling it up with hot water while you're spraying the bleach. Using a sponge, scrub all the debris and products out, pushing it down the drains, making sure all the product is removed. By properly cleaning your foot basin, that'll help to not spread any fungus or disease if someone had it. And after the foot bath is properly cleaned with the bleach, you want to use an alcohol and spray everything clean.